Today, I'm gonna show you how to make macrame leaves. This is actually a continuation of this large wall hanging, so please refer to this video for the measurement of each leaf. Process will still be the same between 18 cords and 16 cords, so I'm just gonna show you one process and just apply it accordingly. Cut one cord with 33 inches length, fold it in half. Then allot 6 inches distance from the top and then simply tie it. This is the same measurement between 16 cords and 18 cords, or like the small and a little bigger leaf. Then I put masking tape at the bottom so I could easily insert it through the hole. Then I already cut the cords needed. We'll be working in pairs, so we have two cords here. We're gonna fold it in half and put it under our stem. Let's call it stem, and then the other one above. And then we're gonna put it through and then pull it tight. Once we're done attaching the cords, we're just gonna simply tie the bottom part to secure the knots. Then let me just untangle this so it's easier for us to brush. Then we'll proceed to brushing. I'm gonna use two brushes, one dog brush and the other one is hair brush. So I'm gonna start with a hair brush. This is the thing about macrame leaves. It involves a lot of brushing. Now it's time to shape our leaf. There are a lot of ways to do this. You could cut a paper and then use it as a reference to shape your leaf. But for me, I'm kind of lazy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use this card, okay? And then I'm kind of marking or shaping the way I want my leaf to be. So this will be my guide when I cut it later. Another best tool that you could use is a rotary cutter. But I don't have that, so I'm just gonna use the scissors. So we're just gonna keep on reshaping until we achieve our desired shape. Now, time to stiffen the leaf. I will use this multi-purpose white glue. I will mix it with water. Ratio would depend on how stiff you would like your leaves to be. But for this tutorial, I don't want it to be too stiff. So my ratio is 2 tablespoon water by 1 tablespoon glue. So basically, if you want it to be too stiff, add more glue than water. You could also use other stiffener like hairspray or cornstarch. And we're done. Now time to attach it with our wall hanging project. So I'm just attaching it by making a lark's head knot. Okay, so it's already attached. Now it's time to just fix this macrame leaf. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on our next video.